Wagwan Island family.
Yes, today.
Welcome back to the Island Tribe. Island family, guys. Island Tribe.
Yes, today.
Well, today, guys, it's so good to finally back behind the camera.
Yeah, man.
It's been a few days.
Yeah.
But, yeah, so today we're going to...
Me don't know, but I only know that we're going to a waterfall, guys.
Yeah, we're going to a few waterfalls around the area,
yeah.
So you'll get to see a little bit about what around Casino area has to offer for those that are thinking of coming out to visit us one day. Yeah. So we can always go back and show you guys. So yeah, we're on a roll now to the waterfalls and hopefully have a swim. Seems like it's going to be a warm day today, so we're going to be with my brother and his girlfriend and her kids. So we'll see how we go with the vlogging and things because we don't know how people.
Yeah, we don't know if they want to be on camera.
Yeah, so we'll respect that if they do, if they don't, and yeah. So come on, guys, join us.
We on a roll now. Let's go now.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Oh, look at the horse, guys. Beautiful.
Beautiful. This is beautiful. There was people, nightcap falls swimming in there. Nightcap Falls. I think we came to Nightcap Falls, guys, but we didn't go to Protestors Falls. So here we are. We're making our way. Look at that. Ooh. So this is my brother's girlfriend Emily, and she knows a lot about the history around our areas.
Book about it.
Yeah, she wrote a book about. Oh yes,
I did.
Yes, you can.
Okay, so this is a place called Protestors Falls. About to go to a big waterfall, and it's been called that because it was the first ever place in Australia, if not the world, to protest and to save a tree 40 years ago. So this is a prehistoric rainforest. In 20 years they chopped down with just axes and stuff between like 1880 to 1900. They came and chopped down and they caught the big scrub 99% of this rainforest.
Wow.
The oldest rainforest in Australia, possibly the world, and the biggest rainforest in Australia.
Amazing.
So that covers this whole area, but this is a little bit of it. And later we'll show you photos. There's photos.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Cool. So guys.
Protestors Falls over that and that after that name.
Wow.
It used to be called Tarangi Creek Falls.
Wow. Beautiful. So we're here. I think we did a little video before on this place.
Yeah.
We've come back to check the waterfall, and hopefully it's a lot stronger than what it was.
Yeah.
Apparently people don't really swim here because there is a native or a frog that lives here, and it actually preserves our rainforest and keeps everything clean and whatnot. So there's a spiritual thing to it, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're back here, and hopefully you guys enjoy.
Yeah, man. Hey, boo boo. Woo. Hey, mister. What you want to say to your fans? Huh?
Hey.
What you want to say?
So guys, excuse me if you hear us a little bit out of pop.
Yeah, we're going. Yeah.
Yeah, we're going.
All the way, Bobo.
I think it would be cool enough to get up.
And the one up there, look, it looks like a head.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's trying to climb down, look.
This tree is amazing, right?
Yeah, look at that one. The head, looks like someone
trying
to climb.
Yeah. Amazing, guys.
We're here, guys. Beautiful.
Nice.
And Island's, he's in good hands. He's with my brother.
Yeah, with
My
uncle.
with Uncle. So we respect Uncle's decision. He doesn't want to be on camera.
Yeah.
So, which is fine.
Oh, the water is higher this time, babe. Look.
Yeah, that's what I said. Look.
Wow. Hopefully we can get the drone up today, man. Hey guys, the water is much more heavier this time around, guys.
Here comes Mr. Tyrone. Island boy! Woo!
It's a vibe. So guys, we're trying to get over there. There's like 2 caves. Let's see if we can explore them. Rocks over there though look really slippery. See Mike, we have to walk up here. Must be cold.
This is a better way to get over there.
Yeah,
Go through here. Go
Yeah. Look at that. Coming all the way from up there.
It's a bit wet here, so you can go there or here.
Yeah. Wow. So this is a cave, guys. Wow.
Wow.
Look at this.
This is beautiful, guys.
Yeah.
Wow. Amazing.
Yeah, man.
Amazing.
Oh, it's different than the year. We could have probably bring the other camera. Oh, shoot. That's slippery.
Do you want to go underneath the waterfall?
Oh my gosh, I don't know if I can reach there.
If you do, you'd go this way. It's a bit flatter than that.
Okay.
Yeah. They even like have a bonfire
barbecue here or something.
whatever, yeah.
You must cook here.
Yeah, that's the cave, guys.
The cave, guys. Now we're actually exploring the caves a little bit better.
We're doing more stuff
Falls.
this time.
Yeah, we're doing more.
Yeah.
More stuff.
If you want to get up there, there's a better way to get a bit flatter.
Oh really? You show me the way.
Yeah, show us safest way. Sleep in here, hey?
Yeah, it's warm under there and look, it's comfy.
These are native violets, they're edible.
Oh really?
Careful, baby.
Yeah. Hi!
Hey, take photos.
Careful, baby.
You guys want to go right underneath it? Literally grew up on these rocks.
Yeah, I bet. I know you guys know what you were doing. Woo! Yeah, for sure. Island! Island! Bubble! Bubble!
Nice! Come in here, guys. You have to be very careful because the rocks very slippery, you know?
Yep.
Yeah, man. Yeah, coming through.
I'm coming through, guys. I'm coming through. We have a party here, guys.
Yeah,
This
literally,
cave.
if it's even raining and you want to shelter, like this is a good
Apparently you
shelter.
can eat them, yeah? They're edible.
That's what your sister just said.
Oh no, it's not those ones.
Not that. Oh, I think she put one in her now.
Holy shoot. So nothing happens.
Heaven's gonna be hallucinating.
Right here is slipper, babe. Be careful. Alright.
Feet are like, lucky I bought a bottle of water to wash my feet.
Yeah, walk to the right. It's so much easier than where she did walk first. Yeah.
Oh yeah, they're the ones you said you can eat.
Yeah, these ones are edible.
Oh. Wow, the sun feels so much good now to be in.
Twilight moment. Look at the flowers.
Alright guys, so we just are walking back down from the waterfall now.
Yeah.
And just watching our step. Watching our step, guys, because you know it's quite slippery, and I almost stacked it back there. Thanks for Babes for helping me survive that. So yeah, we're gonna go have some lunch now, just by the park, and then we're gonna move on to the next waterfall.
Yeah.
And then yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah, man.
So
It's amazing, you know. Get some drone footage this time around.
yeah,
So yeah,
it's gonna be
love
great.
it.
Definitely. So
Yeah, man.
oh,
Stay tuned,
it's so
guys.
good. Yeah, definitely. Stay tuned, guys. A bush duck. What's this bird? It looks pregnant.
It looks like a turkey.
It's called a bush. Sam, what's this called? Pigeon. It's native.
Right there, guys.
Sam, what's this called again?
It's looking at me. It's going to attack me.
Oh, it looks like a calm
It's
bird.
a bronze dove.
So we're going across here, guys. I have 2 more waterfalls to go, they say. So guys, if you're new to the channel, you wouldn't know of this, right? But for the people that know, does this spot look familiar? If you guys remember, right here, I ran from a iguana, or iguana, whatever they want to call it. Right here, guys, this very spot. Oh my God, let's hope this don't be the repeat of that. So that's our picnic table right there, guys.
Where?
Bush turkey.
That's the bush turkey, guys.
After she got packed in the eye.
Let's eat it.
Wow.
We don't want some pepper.
So now, guys, we go into this unknown waterfall to us anyway.
Little creek.
Yeah, a little creek, I should say. What am I saying?
Just
Really, just there.
Oh, so pretty.
The Murray Darling River.
It's nice.
It's pretty.
Sun is shining on the river, on the creek, in the creek.
So many here.
Yeah, whoa, that's a big one in. The big one.
Get it, go on, pull. Go, catch it.
That's a big one.
You got it.
What the hell
get it?
is that? Yeah.
Holy shoot! Careful. Let me see.
Oh.
That's big. We got a big one. Pull it out. Careful, doesn't go. Stop. Let me see it.
I'm not sure.
Oh shit, that's big.
This is a fish, guys. Woo. Woo, and there it goes. Island boy. Hey, boo boo. You enjoying your little water? Eh? You love the shallow, eh? Much safer. Yes, sir. He's having fun, guys. Hey, boo. Mister, what's going on? Huh? Really, Island? Huh? Why you take it off? Huh? Foot burning? What's going on? Ooh, I heard that big belch.
Hi guys, welcome back. We're having such a good time. Just finished having lunch. Now we're off to another waterfall, guys. So everybody's having a really good time and Island's gonna sleep like a baby tonight. So yeah, let's go guys, we're on a roll. Let's do this.